Hey guys, here's a quick video of my Hoover Model 28. This is one of the 3 Model 28s I have. This is the original one I've got from Stars 1976, about 2012, 2013-ish. So this is the one that started it all for the vintage Hoovers. I think at one point in time this was the oldest electric vacuum that I owned. So I'll go ahead and give you a quick run video. Go ahead and release the handle and get it running. It really needs oiled, that's for sure. The bag on this is actually, as you can tell, is a replacement. These rugs are really going to be almost spotless by the time I'm done running all the machines on it. But yeah, guys, that's it for that machine too. I know it wasn't much of anything, but just trying to get, some update videos out of these machines that have not been seen running or, just seen at all in all its entirety. So, stay tuned. I'll try to get quite a few more machines out. I just gotta look through what I've got and see what I think I should film.